Keluoer Wasser-SUP-Bike Review. Inflatable pedal bike that replaces heavy kayaks. The Keluoer Single Water SUP Bike is an inflatable pontoon water bicycle designed for one person who wants to explore lakes, calm rivers, or bays without endless paddling or the constant noise and fuel consumption of jet skis. It works just like riding a regular bike, except you're comfortably seated on water, pedaling to drive a propeller beneath you, while steering with handlebars connected to a responsive rudder system. The entire setup inflates within minutes using the included electric pump, maintains rock-solid stability thanks to dual drop-stitch pontoons constructed from heavy-duty PVC and polyethylene, then deflates and packs neatly into a compact carry bag that fits easily in your car trunk. It's purpose-built for fishing, relaxed water exploration, peaceful floating sessions, or simply enjoying nature without noise or complexity. Imagine eliminating the struggle of loading a kayak or dealing with constant paddle fatigue altogether. You get true hands-free mobility across the water using a familiar cycling motion, instead of exhausting your arms with continuous paddling or rowing. The wide pontoon base delivers exceptional stability, allowing you to stand while fishing, shift your weight freely, or even bring along a small cooler without the constant fear of tipping that comes with narrow kayaks. What makes it even more compelling is its completely silent and eco-friendly operation. No fuel, no emissions, just smooth, human-powered movement that won't disturb fish or surrounding wildlife. Storage becomes effortless as the entire system deflates flat and rolls into the included carry bag, removing the need for roof racks, garage space, or specialized trailers. Setup is incredibly fast. Inflation takes under 10 minutes, followed by hours of exploration, and then a quick pack down without complicated tie downs or heavy lifting draining your energy before you even begin. Picture this. You're planning a weekend fishing trip, but your usual kayak demands roof racks, awkward lifting, and constant paddle switching that leaves your arms exhausted before you even cast your first line. The hassle almost makes you cancel the trip entirely. Then you switch to the Keluoer, inflate it in just 8 minutes, pedal effortlessly to your favorite fishing spot while keeping your hands completely free, anchor quietly without disturbing the fish, and cast comfortably from a stable platform that doesn't rock with every movement. The difference is immediate. You're no longer battling balance or fatigue. You're simply enjoying the water the way you always envisioned. One user admitted they initially doubted whether pedaling would be efficient, but after covering twice the distance in half the time compared to paddling, that doubt disappeared completely. After testing multiple options, one thing becomes clear. Portability and stability rarely exist together in water sports equipment, until now. Instead of choosing just any inflatable water bike, make sure it features drop-stitch pontoon construction with a 100 to 500 kilogram weight capacity, so you avoid unstable, undersized platforms that can tip or deflate mid-trip. The Keluoer uses the same high-pressure drop-stitch technology found in premium rigid SUP boards, delivering a firm and durable structure that remains stable even during movement or light wind and current. Users consistently report smooth pedaling speeds of 5 to 8 kilometers per hour, while the included repair kit quickly handles minor punctures during longer outings. Its CE certification confirms compliance with European safety standards, and fishing enthusiasts highlight the non-slip EVA deck and generous buoyancy that support gear, coolers, and catches without compromising balance. The electric pump inflates both pontoons quickly, transforming setup into a genuinely fast and simple process rather than a dreaded chore. Which result matters most to you? Comment 1 for portability, 2 for stability, or 3 for silent fishing. Thousands already rely on the Keluoer Single Water SUP bike for calmer, smoother water adventures that completely eliminate paddle fatigue and complicated transport. It transforms frustration into confidence, giving you pedal-powered freedom that fits in your trunk and inflates within minutes. No assistance required. It only takes a few seconds to decide if it suits your lake, river, or fishing style. The link is in the description and pinned comment below. You deserve water experiences that are truly simple.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.